Struggling to make thumbnails that actually get clicks? Here's a trick that you can use. I'm about to show you how to reverse engineer any viral thumbnail in under 60 seconds using AI. This method lets you analyze exactly what makes thumbnails go viral and recreate that magic for your own content. We're talking about reverse engineering the psychology behind million-viewed thumbnails and making it your own. Here is the exact process. The first step, find a thumbnail that's absolutely crushing it. Go to YouTube, find a video with massive views in your niche, and screenshot that thumbnail. Next, head over to Claude.ai, and if you're not signed up yet, they have a free plan that gives you plenty of prompts to work with. Don't limit yourself to Claude either. You can try this exact same method in ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or DeepSeek. But for this example, we're going to use Claude because it's really good in analyzing images. Upload that screenshot and paste this exact prompt. Create an extremely detailed prompt for an AI image generator that describes every single detail of this thumbnail. Hit enter and watch what happens next. Claude Opus seems to give the best results, but Sonnet is not too bad itself. It's going to break down every single detail of that thumbnail. The lighting, the expressions, the colors, the composition, the text placement, everything. And this isn't just a basic description. This is a professional level prompt that captures the psychological triggers that make that thumbnail work. Copy that prompt and head to Whisk. This tool is amazing for thumbnail creation. Paste that prompt and set your aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit generate. What you get isn't exactly identical to the original, and honestly, that's perfect. What you want is something that captures the same energy, the same visual impact, but it's completely your own creation. You're not copying, you're learning from what works and creating your own version. But stopping here, that's a huge mistake. Most people think they're done, but you don't want that exact same thumbnail you downloaded. And Whisk used the refine feature to tweak specific elements. This option isn't perfect, but it allows you to make changes to make your thumbnail even more interesting. Now take that original prompt from Claude and start experimenting. Change specific words, add elements that match your content, remove parts that don't fit your style. The prompt is your blueprint, but you can customize it to create something uniquely yours. You can test this same prompt across different AI generators too. Try it in Ideogram AI, Leonardo AI, or any other tool. Each one will give you different results, and you might find that one works better for your specific style. Now, if you want to take thumbnails to an absolutely insane level, here's the secret weapon. Once you've got your base image from Whisk, head over to playground.bfl.ai. Flux.1 context is absolutely incredible at editing specific parts of your image. You can swap out backgrounds or add elements without recreating the entire thumbnail. This is like having a professional photo editor powered by AI. You can make surgical edits that will take hours in Photoshop and do it in seconds. It's the perfect finishing touch that separates amateur thumbnails from the ones that actually go viral. The method that I've shared with you is a complete game changer because you're not starting from scratch. You're building on proven psychological triggers that are already getting results. While other creators are guessing what might work, you're reverse engineering success and making it your own. The best part, this works for any niche, any style, and any type of content. Tech reviews, cooking videos, reaction content, find thumbnails that are crushing it in your space and use this exact method, create your own versions that will absolutely dominate. Stop wasting time wondering what thumbnail will work. Start using this method today and watch your click-through rate skyrocket.